Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we learned some examples on second principle of mathematical induction. In today's lecture, also we learn one example of induction. Here given that let A and B the recursive relation defined by an is equal to an minus 1 plus an minus 2 plus an minus 3. This is recurrence relation for n greater than or equal to 3. We have to find that often first few terms of recursive relation, that is we have to find a1, a2, a3, a4, a5 and so on. Here given that a0, a1 and a2 are given. Using that terms we have to find some terms a3, a4, a5, a6 and so on. Prove that all ans are odd. We have to prove that all ans are odd. And the last, that prove that an is less than or equal to 2 raised to n minus 1 for all n greater than or equal to 1. We have to prove this condition using second principle of mathematical induction. Okay, so we start with solution. Here we have given that an is equal to an minus 1 plus an minus 2 plus an minus 3, and initial conditions are a0 is equal to a1 and a2 is equal to 1. Okay, so we find some few terms of recursive relation. For n is equal to 0, 1 and 2 are given. So for n is equal to 3, we find a3. So put 3 in this term, which is a3 is equal to a3 minus 1 plus a3 minus 2 plus a3 minus 3. That means a2 plus a1 plus a0. So these values are given 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. So a3 is equal to 3. Now similarly for n is equal to 4, a4 is equal to what? Again same, a3 minus 1, a3 minus 1, 3 minus an minus 1. Okay, an minus 2, an minus 3, an minus 1, 4 minus 1 is 3, 4 minus 2 is 2 and 4 minus 3 is 1. That means a3 plus a2 plus a1. Now we calculated a3. So a3 is 3. That means 3 plus 1 plus 1, 5. Similarly, for n is equal to 5, n is equal to 7 and n is equal to 7, we calculated term. We have to find few terms of recursive relation. So we find 5 terms. Okay, it is sufficient. Okay, so first example is completed. We find all the terms. Now we have to prove that all the ans are odd. We have to prove that all the ans are odd. Okay, so we prove this result using second principle of mathematical induction. Now our statement is what? An is odd. We have to prove that an is odd is our statement. First step is what? We have to prove the statement for n is equal to 3. Since here starting condition of n is greater than or equal to 3. So first we prove the statement for n is equal to 3. For n is equal to 3, an is equal to n ची value 3, that is a3, but value of a3 is 3. We calculated that a3 is equal to 3, which is odd. That means our statement is true for n is equal to 3. Okay, we assume that our statement is true for all the terms k where 3 is less than k is less than m. Okay, since our statement is value of n is start from 3, and according to our statement, we assume that our statement is true for 3 is less than k is less than m. So for less than m terms, less than m, all the terms are valid for this statement. So in particular for m minus 1, m minus 2, m minus 3, all are, these terms are less than m. That means that is am minus 1, am minus 2, m minus 3 are odd. All terms are odd. Okay, a1, a2, a3 up to am minus 1, am minus 2, am minus 3, all terms are odd. Okay, now we have to prove this statement for n is equal to m. Now n is equal to m, that is we have to find am. Okay, so am is equal to what? am कसा तयार होणार आहे? am minus 1 plus am minus 2 plus am minus 3. ओके, am. ओके, एनच्या जागी आपण एम टाकलेलं आहे. सो रिकरन्स रिलेशन प्रमाणे आपल्याला एम काय मिळणार? ओके, रिमेंबर दॅट an. Here you have given that an is equal to what? an minus 1 plus an minus 2 plus an minus 3. Now we have to find am. So am replacing n is equal to m, we get am minus 1 plus am minus 2 plus am minus 3. Okay, same thing is used here, am minus 1 plus am minus 2 plus am minus 3. Okay, but am minus 1, am minus 2, am minus 3 all terms are odd. Okay, रिझल्ट हा एम मायनस एम लेस दॅन एम टर्मसाठी व्हॅलिड असल्यामुळे ह्या सगळ्या टर्म्स कशा ऑड आहेत आणि ॲडिशन ऑफ ऑड नंबर इज ऑड. ॲडिशन ऑफ ऑड नंबर, सो ऑल टर्म्स आर ऑड बाय डेफिनेशन. ऑड नंबर प्लस ऑड नंबर प्लस ऑड नंबर, 3 वेळा तुम्ही ऑड नंबर ॲड केलात की काय येणार आहे, ऑडच येणार आहे. ओके, सम ऑफ 3 ऑड नंबर इज ऑड. 3 ऑड नंबरची ॲडिशन ही ऑडच येते, तुम्ही चेक करा. ओके, दॅट मीन्स अवर स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू फॉर एन इज इक्वल टू एम. Okay, so by second principle of mathematical induction our statement is valid for all n greater than or equal to 1 झाले. इथे all n is greater than or equal to 3 हवं आहे. Okay, here we use that condition for n is greater than or equal to 3. Remember this thing. Okay, now we go for the third part of our example. We have to prove that an is less than or equal to 2 raised to n minus 1 for n is greater than or equal to 1. Now the condition for n is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, we have to prove this statement. Again we use the second principle of mathematical induction. Okay, so we start from n is equal to 1. For n is equal to 1 our LHS is a1. Value of a1 is 1 given. इनिशियल कंडिशन आहे, ए वनची व्हॅल्यू 1 आहे. आर एच एस इज 2 रेस टू n minus 1. व्हॅल्यू ऑफ n इज 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 raised to 0 is 1. That means our LHS is equal to RHS. So our statement is true for n is equal to 1. Okay. Now we assume that our statement is true for 1 is less than k is less than m. Okay. 1 is less than k is less than m. Our statement is valid. That means less than m terms our statement is valid. So in particular for m minus 1, m minus 2, m minus 3 all terms are less than m. So our statement is valid for that term. That means we get am minus 1 is less than or equal to 2 raised to m minus 1 minus 1. Okay, statement काय बघा आपलं, an is less than or equal to 2 raised to n minus 1. तर nच्या जागी m minus 1 टाकणार आहे. ओके, म्हणजे काय मिळेल आपल्याला, am minus 1 is less than or equal to 2 raised to m minus 1 minus 1. Okay, look at this here. am minus 1 is less than or equal to 2 raised to m minus 1 minus 1. That means 2 raised to m minus 2. am minus 3, m minus 2 is less than or equal to 2 raised to m minus 2 minus 1. That means 2 raised to m minus 3. am minus 3, 2 raised to m minus 3 minus 1. That is 2 raised to m minus 4. Okay, so in particular these terms are less than or equal to a. हे आपण प्रूव्ह केले सेकंड स्टेप. नाउ वी हॅव टू प्रूव्ह दॅट अवर स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू फॉर एन इज इक्वल टू एम. दॅट इज वी हॅव टू प्रूव्ह दिस थिअरम फॉर ए एम. सो ए एम रिप्लेसिंग n is equal to m in our theorem. So for n is equal to m we can write here am is less than or equal to 2 raised to m minus 1. Okay, am we have to prove that am ची कंडिशन काय ते चेक करणार होतं. नाउ am is equal to what, am 2 raised to m minus 2 plus 2 raised to m minus 3 plus 2 raised to m minus 4. 2 raised to m minus 2 plus 2 raised to m minus 3 plus 2 raised to m minus 4. ओके, आता ह्या सगळ्यांमध्ये 2 raised to m minus 2 कॉमन आहे. सो विच इज लेस दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू 2 raised to m minus 2 कॉमन काढलं की इथे काय राहणार, पहिल्या टर्ममध्ये 1 प्लस दुसऱ्या टर्ममध्ये m minus 2 कॉमन काढले म्हणजे 2 raised to minus 1 शिल्लक राहिले. तिसऱ्या टर्ममध्ये m minus 2 कॉमन काढले म्हणजे 2 raised to minus 2 शिल्लक राहिले. ओके, दॅट इज 2 raised to m minus 2 इन ब्रॅकेटमध्ये 1, 2 raised to minus 1 इज हाफ, 2 raised to minus 2, 2 raised to minus 2 म्हणजेच 1/4. ओके, 1/2 raised to 2 दॅट इज 1/4. ओके, दॅट इज 2 raised to m minus 2. ओके, डिनॉमिनेटर सेम केला, सगळ्यांचा 4 केला आहे, डिनॉमिनेटर 4 करून घेतला इथे आणि हे सॉल्व केलं आहे. दॅट इज 4 + 2 + 1/4. दॅट मीन्स 7/4. दॅट इज 2 raised to m minus 2 into 7/4. Okay, but 7/4, this term is less than 8/4. 7/4 is less than 8/4 since value of 8/4 is 2. Okay, so in place of 7/4 we can write 2. So 2 which is less than 2 raised to m minus 2 into 7/4 च्या जागी आपण 2 लिहिलं. So 2 raised to m minus 2 into 2 raised to 1. Multiplication है base same है. So which is equal to 2 raised to m minus 1. That means am is less than or equal to 2 raised to m minus 1. That means our statement is true for n is equal to m. So by second principle of mathematical induction, our result is hold for all n greater than or equal to 1. Okay. Here in this example we consider 3 parts. Okay. Solve this example once again.